All right, so I have used the Nordic Ware gingerbread house pan for years. And this year, I was given the challenge of making 7 of them for Christmas. So here are 6 of the houses because 1 already got delivered. So you can see all the cute little details, like the free sample sign, and the roofs are all different and handmade, and every single side is plastered with candy. But my all-time favorite part of this little village, and the reason you see all the little black boxes on the counter, is that they light up. Yay, village. There you go. Christmas baking for 2019.